Building tool assemblies, which we'll refer to as tool items, is easy with SolidCAM's toolkit. Tool items are comprised of the cutter and additional components that make up the tool holding system, such as the adapter and holder. Adapters and holders can be used to help you check and prevent all possible collisions between the tool holding system, like the example shown here, and the workpiece. When defined, the tool holding system also provides a more realistic visualization of various machining simulations in SolidCAM. Once the cutter component is added to the tool table, we can start assembling the tool item. Adapter holder components can be added and defined in several ways, manually or automatically. We can use components on the toolbar to drag and drop the holder into the tool item manager. Or we can use the right-click commands in the tool table list or the tool item manager to add the adapter and holder individually or together. Loaded in the selection pane is SolidCAM Components lib. This is SolidCAM's predefined tool components library that makes it easy to define adapter holder components, and it's included in the install. If preferred, Toolkit can add these components for us automatically. This can be done with a simple modification to the toolkit settings. We'll go to the main menu, click View, Settings, and select Auto Add the adapter and holder. Now, upon adding a cutter to the tool table, the adapter holder components will also be added. Let's check it out. I'll add an end mill to the tool table. In the Tool Item Manager, we'll see the adapter and holder components are added automatically. To further simplify our selections, take note that the adapter is already defined as HSK63. This is because the adapter type is now specified in the VMID file of the CNC machine. Let's have a look. Opening the Machine ID editor, we can see that the adapter type HSK63 is defined in the station's parameters. Let's go back to the Part Tool table. The Tool Item Manager displays our selected tool in a hierarchical tree structure for viewing and editing the assembled components. Our adapter was automatically defined as HSK63, its shape definition taken from and linked to SolidCAM Components lib. If it doesn't match exactly, it can be edited first using the break link command, then using the interactive picture and corresponding parameters pages. Let's now click Holder in the Tool Item Manager to define it. Adapter holder components can be defined using either shape type options, sketch, or 3D model. For this holder, let's define it using a STL file. We can use the table to browse for and select from a specified directory one or more STL or step files. Or we can use one of the STL holders that's provided in SolidCAM Components lib. To do so, we'll simply right-click Holder in the Tool Item Manager and select Open Default Tool Components. Now, we could just look through the list and choose one.